Sorry.
Hello guys, welcome to another video.
Time to try random sizes till we get it.
We are working on a 2015 Chevy Silverado.
This is too small. Oh, I'm bleeding. Don't even know how. Damn. Damn. I dropped it. Fuck. It's gonna be fine. What are you doing? Sir, are you playing a game? Recording? Uh-huh. Bruh.
If you guys want, go subscribe to.
Especially with all the fucking problems I have with this thing.
If you want to say your YouTube channel,
Bring it, Co.
go subscribe and like to Bring It Co. And if you guys,
Before I go insane.
before he goes insane, and you guys can like and subscribe on my YouTube channel if you guys want more content like this.
Second goddamn time we're tearing this truck apart. Oh, because the fucking timing chain jumped. He ain't running correctly.
Loosen the Kit Kat bar.
Huh?
Loosen the Kit Kat bar.
Mm-hmm. Ow. Don't worry, it's close. Not close enough, though.
I want to laugh when people, mostly people don't have any fireworks for tomorrow.
Some of them have to work tomorrow. Some people have to work tomorrow. I am one of those lucky that don't. Even if I didn't take vacation, I wouldn't work tomorrow. I'm off. Either way. Fucking goddamn. What the fuck is going on here? I did that.